Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. So in the last video, I have shown how to extract name and domain information from email address. Today's video, I will show you how to extract first name and last name from an email address. So please refer to my previous video number 22 and then you will get to know how to extract the email address and domain. So first we have already extracted the name before the @ and then now from column C we'll split the names after and before the dot. Uh, so the first one before the dot is first name, last one is last name. Now left function and then cell reference, which is C2, comma, find what, find dot, and then again cell reference C2, the parenthesis closed, -1, the parenthesis closed. So that means -1 means I'm going one step back from dot, enter. So this is the first name. I can see the first name already extracted. Then let's see what are the names in the other rows. Double click, I can see, yeah. By the way, this is my name. So yep, this is the first name. So about the last name is similarly right function, because I will extract the name after the dot, and then first the parentheses, select the row or cell, and then len, again select the row, minus find what, find dot again from this row, the parenthesis closed again, and then enter. So we can see that last name also extracted. Then similarly, I can see the last name from here, from the C column, has been extracted accordingly. So remember this the formula that have been used here is conjugated formula. So because multiple formulas are inside, and for this you have to know left, right, len, and find function. Please refer to my video number 9, 10, and 18. Thank you.